Hello students, so today we will discuss exercise 3.2 of coordinate geometry. So first question is, write the answer of each of the following questions. Okay, so first one is, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in Cartesian plane. So in introduction video we have already discussed that these two lines are there in Cartesian plane. So this horizontal line called x-axis and this vertical line called y-axis. So answer for this question is x-axis and y-axis. As it is asking that what is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in Cartesian. Okay, so in Cartesian plane two axes are there. First one is x-axis and second one is y-axis. Question number second part, what is the name of each part of plane formed by these two lines? Okay, so these two lines formed what? Four quadrants. This is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. So answer for this question is quadrant. Third part of this question is, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. So these two lines intersect on where? O, which is called origin. Okay, so by this we can answer all the parts of question 1. Now question number second, one figure is given. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, above also 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so some lines are drawn. Let's see. It's minus 3 to minus 5 and up to 2, and it goes to up to 6, and one line is coming from minus 3 up to minus 5 and is going to connect with 5, and one line is from 2, it is connecting with minus 4. So this is your figure in question number 2. So there is some names for the vertices of this figure. Let's say B, D, G, C, E, H, M. Okay, so these are the names of the vertices. Okay, here on 5th it is written L. Okay, so question first is the coordinates of B. Check where is B. Here it is. So in introduction video we have discussed that we express coordinate in xy form, where x is abscissa and y is ordinate. So we have to write coordinate of B. So coordinate of B on x-axis is -5, okay, and on y-axis it is 2. So -5, 2. This is the coordinate of B. Second part of the question, the coordinate of C. Okay, so let's see where C. Here C. So in x-axis C is 5. Okay, in x-axis C is 5, and let's see in y-axis. This is y-axis. Y-axis is -5. So coordinate of C will be 5 and -5. Now third part of the question, second, is the point identified by the coordinates -3, -5. Means -3 on x-axis and -5 on y-axis. So -3 on x-axis is here and -5, which means E. So this coordinate is of E name. Okay, so answer will be E. In fourth part, the point identified by the coordinates 2, -4. So let's see in figure 2, -4. X on 2, y on -4. So it is G. So this coordinate is of G. So answer will be G. Now question number 5th, the abscissa of the point D. So where is D? Here is D, and abscissa means x-axis. So on x, what is D? 6. So abscissa of the point D is 6. Okay. Now question number 6, the ordinate of, it is asking the ordinate of the point H. Okay, so where is H? Here H, and y-axis is called ordinate. So H of y-axis is -3, as it is connecting with -3. So H is equal to -3. Seventh part of the question is the coordinates of the point L. Let's see where is L. On 5th it shows L. So on x-axis L is 0 and on y-axis L is 5. So the coordinates of L will be 0, 5. Okay. Now 8th part of the question, the coordinates of the point capital M. So search where is capital M. Here is capital M. So on x-axis it shows -3, but on y-axis it shows 0. So coordinates of the point M is -3, 0. So this ends your exercise 3.2. Try to solve more questions from examples and of your side books such as R.S. Agarwal and all. Okay, thank you.